Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Able Opportunities Incorporated. They're looking for executive virtual assistant. This job is remote and pays $25 per hour. It's part-time and it's 10 hours a week. Able Opportunities Incorporated is a consulting agency whose mission is to level the playing field for people with disabilities to have the same rights and opportunities as everyone. The schedule is 10 hours per week, flexible to match your needs preference, but needs to establish consistent hours and days. Must be fluent Mac user and iPad user. Must own a virtual assistant company. Skills in marketing a plus. Your job description: track schedule and workload of executive director, maintain and update running logs on all accounts, complete monthly billing using QuickBooks, create forms in Adobe, update training documents as iOS updates, maintain contract files in Ignite, keep overview of contracts updated, perform routine office support tasks, strong communication skills, stellar organization skills, and demonstrated independence a must. Tech savvy required, Word, Excel, Pages, Numbers, Keynote, QuickBooks, all on a Mac platform. Must be savvy iPad user. Experience with marketing and social media PR is a plus. This is part-time, pays $25 an hour, with a self-determined schedule. At least 1 year as an executive virtual assistant required, and at least 1 year with Apple Office software required. If this is the perfect opportunity for you, we'll have the link right in the description right below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep updated is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified next time we have the best work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.